Hello, welcome back to Path to Wellness with Miriam. I'm Miriam and I have a grocery haul for you today, so stay tuned. I just thought I would talk a little bit about our dietary changes. So I am going on a cleanse to help with candida. So basically a no added sugar, very low sugar, lower carb. I am breastfeeding my almost 1-year-old, so I will be having small amounts of carbs. I'm not going totally like keto. But anyway, yeah. So I've been easing into an elimination diet this past week. And this week our meals are going to be a little different. The kids are still eating pasta and stuff like that. But my husband, who's joining me on this, and I will not. So for our dinners, we are having rotisserie chicken tonight. We're gonna have fish patties tomorrow. We're gonna have fajitas minus the tortillas on Saturday. On Sunday, we're having chicken burritos in a bowl. Monday, we're having Asian stir fry without rice and bunless hamburgers on Tuesday. And then Wednesday, we will either have like breakfast, like eggs for dinner, or we will have leftovers for dinner, or I will just make up a dinner of some of the food we have in the freezer. So here's an overview of my haul. As you can see, it looks way different than our last few hauls. Definitely a lot more green in here. So I went to Costco and I spent at Costco $90.29, which included a non-food item, which I'll show you. I went to Soopers and I spent $20.45, and I also ran into Sprouts and spent $12.89. So I'm going to start with Soopers, which is right here. I got 3 organic cucumbers. These were, I think, 99 cents each. The organic bell peppers were 99 cents each as well. I just remember those prices. I don't remember the prices of everything. I got some ginger root. I'm planning on cooking with this with the Asian stir fry, and then also maybe looking up and seeing how I can make a ginger bug, which is a fermented drink that I've heard is really easy. I got some parsley and some cilantro. I've got some rutabagas or rutabagas. I don't know. I've never had them before. There's supposedly good candida fighting properties in these root vegetables, so I thought, hey, I'll give them a try. I got some avocados. These were, I think, about 88 cents a piece, as were the mangoes. I won't be eating the mangoes, but my girls will. And I also got some kombucha for them as a special treat. I usually let them drink just a little bit at a time. Then I went to Sprouts, and as soon as I walked into Sprouts, I saw these berries. They're not organic, but they are they were 77 cents a package. So I bought 6 packages. I thought my girls will love them. I am still going to eat berries. I'm trying to make a smoothie every morning as part of my breakfast along with eggs. So yeah, I thought this would be a good fruit to put in my smoothie. Also at Sprouts, I got these fresh pickles. These are fermented pickles, so they have no vinegar in them. We're going to have these with the hamburgers and with the fish patties. I also went to Costco and got the majority of my stuff there. I got fresh garlic. Heard that these have really good candida fighting properties. My husband loves garlic. I don't like the smell so much, but I've heard that eating parsley helps combat the garlic smell. I picked up these upside down Brussels sprouts, celery sticks, this salad spring mix. I was going to get the romaine lettuce, but it looked kind of brown and terrible. So I got the spring mix instead for us to do fresh salads, along with probably the cucumbers. The spinach tub I got for my smoothies. I've seen, what's her name from Mama Approved? she goes through one of these each week in her smoothies. And so, yeah, I thought I would try that. And then I also got asparagus. I got ground beef. Some of this will be for this week and some will be put in the freezer for next week. A rotisserie chicken again. And then a lot of eggs. It's 4 dozen eggs. I'm going to be eating more eggs than usual. And we're not baking muffins anymore, but my girls will sometimes eat 2 eggs in the morning. Sometimes just 1. So that's an overview of all the food that I got. Comment below if you have any questions about what we're eating. Pretty much for breakfast, I'm going to be eating vegetables and eggs and a smoothie and leftovers for lunches. And for dinners, I'm going to try to cook enough, you know, to have leftovers next day and stuff. And then last of all, I got one more thing at Costco, which will not be in our food budget, but this comes out of our separate household budget. So this Weight Watcher scale, I'm not doing Weight Watchers, but it was only $20 at Costco, and it's a digital glass scale. It looks really nice. It goes up to 400 pounds. That means my whole family can stand on it. Joking. But we can weigh ourselves, and one of the things that I want to do is I don't want to lose too much weight with this cleanse. So I thought the scale would help me keep track of my weight to make sure I'm not losing too much weight on this cleanse, as well as my girls, that they are still gaining weight and growing, as well as my baby, that she's gaining weight and growing on this as well. So again, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. This is just how we are eating temporarily, probably for a month or 2. I've not decided exactly. And then we will go back to eating more normal foods instead of green foods. Yeah, I hope you have a good day, and I will see you on Monday with a new video and next Thursday with a new grocery haul. Bye.